to the red zone. Baker Mayfield's starting to do work in the NFL. You've been watching the Browns a little bit?
It's actually Burks in the backfield, the receiver. They take it to him. He tries to leak out. So it's a half the distance penalty.
Well, good morning, everyone. As you can tell, I'm already at camp. Instead of filming me driving into camp late at night after work, I just thought I would start the day with me waking up, making a little bit of coffee, and enjoying this morning. Got Ryan back here in the back. He's making him some breakfast, and I think we're just going to kind of take it easy and just see where the day goes for us. We don't know if we're going to pack up camp and go see some other trails and maybe see if we can't find another campsite. Or heck, we may just sit here and just enjoy ourselves and relax. We don't know yet. I know Ryan's back there listening to the Arkansas-Alabama game, and hopefully Arkansas wins. That'd be nice. But I'm gonna get this day going. I think I'm about to cook myself a little breakfast, so here we go. Let's enjoy this day. I'm cheating. Oh no, my tortilla's ripping. No bueno, mis amigo. Guess we're gonna have to try this again. Round 2. Maybe not stuff it so full this time, partner. Okay, round 2. Let's try this again. Put just a little bit more cheese on there. Perfect. Fold over. Don't rip on me. Well, as you can tell, I'm not the best burrito roller. But that ain't that bad. Turn that heat off of the stove. Good. That's a good burrito, I do have to say. But it'll make it even better. A little salsa on top. Oh man. On point. Well, it looks like we are going to find another campsite. And actually, I have one in mind. One that I've been to before, but I've only been there once. And I was there with my dad and my brother. But Ryan's never been there, so I'm gonna take him to this spot. It's a pretty cool little spot right on a river or creek. So, but yeah, we ended up eating breakfast, and after breakfast we were like, you know, let's go do a little exploring and ride a couple trails, and let's go find another campsite. And so we're gonna head east and go camp at another spot for tonight. So let's have a good time, and here we go. It's clear. Come on back. All right, we made it to our second campsite. I've been here before and I really like this spot. It's pretty secluded. One way in, one way out. Got a nice little creek over here that gives us some nice white noise. Help me sleep at night. Well, it's gonna help the melatonin anyways, or most of y'all say melatonin, but it's an inside joke, me and my wife. I know, it's stupid. But anyways, we're gonna get camp set up. Maybe go see if I can't find a down tree that I can cut up with the chainsaw, get this fire going, and as soon as everything's set up, I'll be right back. So y'all hang tight. Hey, so got camp set up. Well, not completely set up, but I'm in the process of getting it set up. And dude, check out the new lights. Yeah, strung those bad boys up. Thank you, Eric, for the great idea. It's fantastic. Puts off a lot of light. I can see where I'm going. Don't have to have my headlamp on all the time. This is great. But, alright, it's time to start cooking. Tonight, it's going to be a little chili mac. Prittner style. Alright, so, like I said, we're gonna have a little hamburger helper, but I'm gonna use beef broth, some fresh onion, Hatch green chilies, Bush's chili beans. Yeah, I'm gonna add some chili beans to this bad boy. And then over here, I've got this hamburger meat. And yeah, I may throw some mushrooms in there just for giggles, shits and giggles. But this hamburger meat is actually Oklahoma grown Wagyu beef, and it's bomb. It's really good stuff. So I'm gonna get this going, do a little cooking, and see if I can't make something out of this. I don't know, we'll see. Keep my fingers crossed. Here we go. And I know some of y'all are gonna say, well, Wagyu beef. That's just a Japanese. Has to be Japanese to be real Wagyu. Okay, well, whatever, dude. Onion. Hatch green chilies, like I said earlier. And Bush's chili beans. Yes, sir. Or ma'am. Alright. It's time to add a few other ingredients. First, actually, we're going to get these onions going. Oh my god. I'm making so much food. I'm never gonna eat all this. And I know Ryan won't eat it. He doesn't eat anything spicy. He doesn't eat onions. So, I know we have some neighbors camping close by, I think, in another dispersed camping spot. So, maybe they'll smell it and be like, dude, give me some of that. Give me some of that goodness. Now we're going to add some green chilies. Yep. Because why not? Okay. Now we're going to let that cook a little bit. And then we'll add other ingredients as we go. It's getting there for sure. It's getting there. Ryan's doing a damn good job. Thank you, Ryan. You're welcome, Brittner. Alright. Now, let's add some other ingredients. Let's add some beef broth. Just add all of it. Let's add this packet of seasoning that comes with it. I'll probably put some other stuff in here. Probably more salt and pepper. Obviously, more salt and pepper. And maybe some more chili powder. And maybe a little paprika. Oh, yeah. Let's add some beans. I don't know if I'll add this whole can or not. Probably not. Let's just add as we go. Yeah, screw it. Let's add all of them. There we go. Oh my god, look how big this pot is. Pot of goodness. Pot of gold here. A pot of gold. I'm gonna get this to a boil. Then I'm gonna add these noodles in. It's gonna be more of like a chili with mac, not a chili mac, but it's alright. It's gonna be bomb-alicious. Gonna be good. Alright. So I did a little taste test before I added those noodles, and it's already really good. But I'm gonna add just a little bit of seasoned salt. Lowry's, of course. There's no other. Black pepper, of course. Add a little more chili powder. Paprika. Give this a stir. Let's see where that takes us. Now, let's add that macaroni. Adding that macaroni. Okay. Now, it says to bring up to a boil, which it pretty much already is, and then cover and let it simmer. So, I guess let's do that. Sounds like a good idea. Alright, I think it's almost done. Let's give it a good stir. Let's try one of these noodles. Make sure they're done. Yep. They're done. Well, it's time to eat. Let's do it. Pour me a bowl. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's gonna be so good. Well, let's enjoy. That's good. And it's hot too. It's too bad I'm gonna have to throw the rest of this chili mac away, because it is fantastic. But there's no way for me to transport it back home. I guess I should have brought some Tupperware with me. Next time. Next time. Alright guys, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this meal and enjoy the good company that I have this evening. I will see you all in the morning. Good morning, everyone. Again, I appreciate everybody that came along and watched this video. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, slam that like button. That helps me a lot. But we ended up waking up. Well, I ended up getting woken up by Ryan saying, "Hey, it's starting to sprinkle," and I hate putting my tent up wet, because that means when I get home back into Oklahoma, I have to then deploy my tent. Well, I knew that Sunday we were supposed to get some bad weather in Oklahoma. We'll come to find out we're actually getting some snow right now. So there would have been no way for me to deploy my tent to let it air out and dry. So I'm glad that he woke me up and we were able to get camp packed up. So I had to kind of scurry around and get that done. But I ended up getting a little bit of drone footage of this beautiful campsite right here on Hurricane Creek. Look at this. I mean, dude, it is amazing. Such a beautiful place. Secluded. It's amazing. But anyways, me and Ryan, we had a good time this weekend. It was just me and him. Normally we've got a big group of us, coming out here and going camping. But it was just me and him this time, and it was actually really nice. Really enjoyed myself. And like I've said before to everybody, man, try to make the time to get out and go see what Mother Nature has to offer, because it's absolutely amazing. I try to do it as much as I possibly can, but with, like I've said in the past, with work, it's kind of difficult to get out as much as I want. But I'm hoping that's going to change in the near future, to where I have the possibility of getting out more. So. Not switching companies or anything, but things may move around in the company that I work for to where I have the opportunity to get out, come camping more often. But again, thank you for everybody that came along for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. And until next time, laters on the Minjay. Winter Wonderland, Winter Wonderland, Winter Wonderland. Man, did not expect this coming back home from Arkansas, coming back into Oklahoma, and look at it snowing. Man, we haven't seen actual snow like this in a while. Hopefully it keeps up. I like it. I like the snow. It is nice.